Okay, in this problem we have a 60-degree angle and 90-degree angle, so that means this is a 30-degree angle. We have a 30, 60, 90 special right triangle. I'm going to make my chart just to sort of guide me. S root 3, 2S. And this time we know the side across from the 60-degree angle. So we know that side across from 60 degrees is 20. So we know that whenever we have the side across from the 60-degree angle, to get the short side, to get the side across from the 30, we're going to divide by root 3. So we have S root 3 equals 20, so I have to divide by root 3. I have to take the side across from the 60 and divide it by root 3 to get the short side. So the problem is, dividing that by root 3, I end up with a square root in my denominator, so that's like kind of icky. I'm going to have to rationalize my denominator. I can't just leave the square root in the denominator, so I'm going to make my fancy one. I'm going to multiply by root 3 over root 3. I take the denominator, take the radical out of the denominator and stick it on top of itself. Multiply straight across the numerator, that's 20 root 3. Straight across the denominator, root 3 times root 3 is root 9, and the square root of 9 is 3. Normally I would try to simplify and reduce that fraction as much as possible, but 20 divided by 3 does not reduce any further. So this is my most simplified answer. So S is 20 root 3 over 3. That's the side across from the 30, so that's X. This is 20 root 3 over 3. X is 20 square root of 3 over 3. Then, when we have the short side, we just multiply it by 2 to get the hypotenuse. So to get from S to 2S, I'm just multiplying it by 2. So 20 root 3 over 3 times 2 is 40 root 3 over 3. I'm just multiplying it by 2. So Y is going to be double that, 40 root 3 over 3. So I took the side across from the 60, divided it by root 3, then I had to do a fancy one, rationalize my denominator, and then once I had the short side, then I doubled it to get the hypotenuse. On this example, I know the side across from the hypotenuse. I know the side across from the 90, 30, 60, 90, S root 3, 2S. So this time I know the side across from the 90 is 52 root 3. So remember, to go from the hypotenuse to the short side, I'm going to divide by 2. To get from the hypotenuse to the short side, I'm going to divide it by 2. So 2S equals 52 root 3. I'm going to divide by 2. 52 root 3. 52 divided by 2 is 26 root 3. So S is 26 root 3. That's my side across from my 30-degree angle, so that's Y. It's going to be 26 root 3. Y is 26 root 3. And then to go from the short side to the side across from the 60, I'm going to multiply it by root 3. So I'm taking 26 root 3, and I'm going to multiply by root 3. So root 3 times root 3 is root 9, which is 3. So this is just 26 times 3, which is 78. Don't know why it's acting so weird today. 26 times 3 is 78. So the side across from the 60 is 78. So X is 78. Y is 26 root 3. X is 78. So when you have your hypotenuse, you divide it by 2 to get your short side. And then once you have the short side, you multiply it by root 3 to get the side across from the 60-degree angle.